Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we are going to make a very minimalist makeup. It means we will not gonna use a lot of products. You don't have any excuse anymore to not make your own makeup. So our major product that we're gonna use is a lip tint. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and do the makeup. Just going to prime my face. And next step after your primer is to put your foundation. Since it's a very light makeup, we're not going to apply a lot of foundation. It's just to cover all your and of course after foundation we're gonna apply directly our concealer. So just apply only on the darkest area, very light. And again, do not blend your concealer right away. Just let it sit. So while we're letting our concealer to set, I'm just gonna contour my face a little bit. Okay, so after we apply our contour, we can now blend our concealer. I'll just use a small brush like this. You can still use the beauty blender. It's not an issue. And after you blend and you can go directly on your contour. And now we're going for our eyebrows. So I'll just I'm just gonna fill in those blanks because some of my eyebrows is MIA. Then just like that, and another one. I'm just using my spoolie. I'm just gonna spread the creams. Ang dami yarn. Just spread it evenly. And just like that. Then now we're going to the major product that we're gonna use. So I'll just spread it evenly in my cheek. I'll just spread it evenly here and here. And also I'm going to use it for my eyeshadow. And let's have some sunburn effect. Actually, this lip tint, guys, it's not like literally like the lip tint, like a liquid one. It's more like a cream texture of lip tint. That's why I can use it to do like this. And even I leave it for some time, it doesn't leave me a mark on where I put it. You just have to blend it properly. And why do I have this? Oh, it's because I'm peeling. Guys, I'm peeling because I'm using a new product now. No problem. We can do something about it. You see these dots? I have some peeling there, so it's stuck with the skin. I'll just put some concealer so it brightens up. It doesn't look like I made a mess in my face. And guys, if still this two very dark pink blush here in this spot, if this is still too obvious, just don't mind it. It really, I'm using a new rejuvenating set and it pails me. I didn't recognize it at first, but it's fine. So that lipstick didn't work for me. I don't like it, but it's fine. So I just outlined my lips, and there, it's enough. And we're gonna use a lip gloss. And so guys, for the finishing touch, I'm just gonna put brown eyeliner and mascara for my eye. And there you have it guys. This is our final look for strawberry makeup. Oh my god, it's so nice for summertime. It gives you a cool vibe. And it's very light on your face, so you will not gonna think about if it's too hot, if it's too much humidity, or there's no wind at all. You will not gonna get kinky on this because most of your product is creams and you use less of powders, and it gives you like natural rosy cheeks. Please comment down below guys, what do you think of this makeup, and let me know guys if you did it to yourself. And also comment down below guys what makeup you want to see next. And please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope to see you next time. Bye.